Good day. My name is Cyrus Dervi Imusa, and today I will be explaining to you how my program works. So the title of my program is Basic Cash Register System for a Retail Store. So this program simulates a cash register system for a retail store. When the program is first run, it prompts the user to enter the number of products that are being purchased. For each product, the user is prompted to enter the product's name, price, and quantity. The program then calculates the total price of all the products by multiplying the price of each product by its quantity and adding the result to the total price variable. It also calculates the total quantity of all the products by adding the quantity of each product to the total quantity variable. The program then prompts the user to enter the amount paid by the customer using this value. The program calculates the change to be given to the customer by subtracting the total price from the amount paid. The program then displays a summary of the purchase, including the product details, total quantity, and total price and change. The program saves this summary to a text file called receipt.txt. Finally, the program prompts the user to print the receipt in a text file if they select yes or no. If they do select yes, it will print the receipt. Overall, this program provides a simple and easy to use interface for a retail store to manage their sales, transaction, including calculating totals, providing change, and generating receipts. So, I will now be explaining my code in step-by-step process. So, I will now start. The program starts by including the necessary header files, which are stdio.h and stdlib.h, which provides input, output, and general purpose functions respectively. Next, the program defines a struct called product, which stores the name, price, and quantity of a product. The main function is then defined where the program declares several variables, an array of struct product called products, integers, n and I for counting, total price and change as float variables, total quantity as an integer variable, choice as a character variable, and fp as a pointer variable. The program then prints out a welcome message for the store and prompts the user to enter the number of products being purchased. This value is stored in the variable n. The program then uses a for loop to iterate n and then a number of times. And for each iteration, the user is prompted to enter the price, name, and quantity of the product. This information is then stored in the corresponding fields of the product struct array. The program then calculates the total price and quantity of all the products by iterating through the products array, adding the price and quantity of each product to the total price and total quantity variables respectively. The program then prompts the user to enter the amount paid by the customer and calculates the change by subtracting the total price variable from the change variable. The program then prints out the receipt with the product's details, total quantity, total price, and change. Then, the program opens a file called receipt.txt in write mode, which writes the same receipt details to and close the file. The program then prompts the user if they want to print the receipt in a text file. If the user inputs yes or otherwise no, but if he does input yes, the program opens the receipt in a txt file in read mode and prints the contents of the file. You can also find the receipt text in the same directory as where the program is being saved. Finally, the program returns to 0 to indicate a successful execution. So that's how I would explain my code here in DevC. So now I will try running the program and give you an explanation on how the output is supposed to be. So as you can see here, I have already run the program to avoid any buffering. So I will now start. So the program is a simple cash register system for a sari-sari store. So the program starts by printing the store's name, Sari-Sari Store Nimusa, which is my last name, and I technically own the store because I also made the program. So it then prompts the user to enter the number of products that they would like to purchase. So I am being prompted to enter the number of products that I want to purchase. So let's say I want to buy 3 products. So so for each product, the program prompts the user to enter the product's name, price, and quantity. So I am being prompted to enter the name, price, and quantity of the product. So let's say I want to buy Coke, and the price of Coke is 20 pesos, and the quantity I bought is 1. And so product 2 is, let's say I want to buy chips, and I bought 2 packs of chips. I'm going to buy 2 packs of chips, and the price of the chips is 10 pesos and 2 packs, so that would be a quantity of 2. And product 3 would be a piece of candy. So I'll buy 3 max candies, and the price of a max candy is 1 pesos. So I will be buying since I will be buying 3, the quantity should be 3. So now that the I have entered of what is being prompted, the program will be working in the background and calculating the total sum of everything that I have bought. So the program calculates the total price and the total quantity of the products. So now that the program prompts the user to enter the amount paid and calculates the change. So let's say I will be paying 100. So so the moment I press I press the enter button, it will subtract the total to the money that I've paid. So let's see. So the program then so now that I have pressed enter, the program displays the product details, total quantity, total price, and change to the user. So this is everything that I bought, and the total price of everything I bought, and the change of the money that I have paid out of 100 pesos. So the program then displays the product details, total quantity, total price, and change to the user. The program then opens a text file receipt.txt and writes the product details, total quantity, total price, and change to the file. So I get to choose if I want to print the receipt. So yes, I would want to print the receipt, and I will be pressing yes. So now the receipt has now been printed to the text file in the same folder where the program is being saved. So the program then prompts the user if they want to print the receipt to the file. So that's just what I did. The user so I choose yes. So the user chooses to print the receipt. The program opens the receipt file and reads it line by line, printing it on the screen. The program then, so now that I have finished everything, the program will end and returns to 0 to indicate a successful execution. This means that the program is working fine, and that it has done its intended purpose. So I will now be ending the program. So in conclusion, that's how the program works. So in conclusion, this program is a simple implementation of a cash register system for a sari-sari store. It's convenient to use with simple instructions that people of all ages can understand, as what I have introduced and discussed just earlier. It is a valuable tool to have and very versatile, as it can also serve other tasks suited within its purposes. Overall, this program provides basic functionality for keeping track of product inventory and generating receipts for a small retail store. Thank you for listening, and that would be all. Bye.